Hey guys, I'm live on YouTube through StreamYard. This is the first time I'm trying StreamYard. I've heard great reviews about it. As you can see, I have a ring light behind me. This video is about ring lights. If you make videos at home, if you shoot at home, if you make vlogs, if you do any kind of videos at home, ring light is a must have in 2020. और कुछ लो ना लो, इन्वेस्ट करो ना करो, फोन you may have, I'm guessing, and ring light एक होनी चाहिए. That's the best light for if you, because there's nobody in the lockdown to help us do the lighting. यहाँ से light, वैसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं help करने के लिए. There's nobody to help. Ring light is the perfect light for vlogs. So the one behind me, यहाँ पे यू कैन सी मोबाइल अटैच होता है. ये कनेक्टेड है एक बैटरी पैक से. देयर इज अनदर कनेक्शन जो रिंग लाइट पीछे है, वो मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता हूँ. सी द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट कम्स विद अ स्मॉल रिमोट. ये छोटा सा रिमोट है. नाउ सी द डिफरेंस. प्लेन वाइट, येलोइश हो गई, and this is a mix of white and yellow. So it's actually gives you three options, and then if it's too harsh, कम कर दी मैंने लाइट. डार्क है, रिमोट से आप लाइट बढ़ा भी सकते हैं. So this remote, and this remote has a power button. So there you have it. The light is gone, and there the light is back. So ring light is a must-have light in 2020. ये थोड़ी बड़ी लाइट है. The other light that I use is जो मैं इस वक्त यूज कर रहा हूँ behind this camera is a small light. ये portable kit है. I got this from the US. इसमें आप मोबाइल नीचे, इसमें मोबाइल नीचे लगता है. छोटी सी रिंग लाइट है, मोबाइल जितनी है. एंड you also get options where thoda sa ring light will be big and the mobile phone will fit in the middle, so you can get that also. So ye portable vlogging kits milte hain, you can buy that. Or Amazon pe ye wali ring light bahut easily available hai. It starts around $1,500. You get very good ones with different options, slightly fatter ones for $3,000. But these ring lights work just fine. They do the job. आप चाहिए, I can also remove this USB and put it in a plug. Take any Samsung, Apple mobile का ये आप plug point ले लो और इसको आप direct electricity पे चला सकते हो. It heats up a bit on a battery pack, but that doesn't affect you. Only when you're taking it out, when you're pulling it out, just be careful. And also ring light का advantage ये है, it gives you even light. आपके सामने एक round होगा तो it'll give you some light this side, some light this side, some top पे. So it covers your entire face. ऐसे नहीं है अगर मैं एक लाइट लूं जो सिर्फ यहाँ से फोकस करेगी, यहाँ से या सिर्फ सामने भी फोकस करेगी, तो that light will just not cover these sides. It will just give you straight up light, and this covers your entire face. That's the biggest advantage of having a ring light. मैं जब मोबाइल पे भी कुछ करता हूँ, suppose I'm shooting on my mobile phone, I have a small ring light for my mobile phone. ये भी एक ring light है. ये आपको मैं जला के दिखाऊंगा. ये आपको Amazon या कहीं भी मिल जाएगी. So this is now on. मैं अगर कुछ selfie shoot कर रहा हूँ, I will just clip it here and I'll shoot like that. This is my mobile phone and this is the mobile ring light. I can show you. बंद करके दिखाता हूँ. ये off हो गई. ये one, medium and strong. So you can see it's a really cool ring light. And if you're with your friends, the place is dark, you just take a good selfie. Again, this is also a ring light. It covers all sides equally. That really is important. I make vlogs. I do interviews. So now even during my interviews, I have 2-3 ring lights. For my guest also I keep a ring light. मैं अलग अलग directions में भी रखता हूँ. अगर you can use it. If you have a couple of ring lights, you can use one this side, one as a backlight to fall on your hair so that looks nice. So instead of investing in lights that fall straight up, you can invest in a ring light also. These are really reasonable. Think about it. आप एक 1500 तक invest करोगे, आपको एक ढंग की ring light मिल जाएगी. That will give you a yellow light. If your house is इफ योर हाउस इज वेरी वेल लिट एंड बहुत आपको व्हाइट फील आता है उसमें कि सब कुछ व्हाइट दिखता है, यू चेंज द कलर टू येलो and then you adjust bright, you adjust, you make it light. You can do all kinds of things. See this again. If I make this yellow, ये white है, सी पूरा टोन चेंज हो जाता है लाइट का, और ये तो बैक पे है, तो अभी मैं फ्रेम में रखी है सो दैट यू कैन सी इट, बट इमेजिन इफ दिस वाज इन माय फेस, I'll do the same thing to I'll do the same thing to this light and you see what I'm trying to say. ये लाइट में भी सेम रिमोट है, अभी आप मेरे फेस पे लाइट देखिए, ये हो गई येलो लाइट, एकदम अलग टोन आ गया, ये हो गई एकदम व्हाइट लाइट, दिस इज जस्ट अ प्लेन व्हाइट लाइट. दिस इज अ मिक्स ऑफ व्हाइट एंड येलो. आई कीप इट ऑन दिस क्योंकि मुझे व्हाइट और येलो का मिक्स अच्छा है ना, मुझे बहुत व्हाइट चाहिए एंड आई डेफिनेटली डोंट वांट अ फुली येलो लाइट. You log on to Amazon. In fact, it's so funny that a lot of people have seen this on Instagram and people post pictures with this, but they didn't know what this light is called. This light is called a ring light. So people message me on WhatsApp and Instagram and everywhere and ask me कि they're trying to search for that light and मिल नहीं रही है. They didn't know that it's called a ring light. Obviously, as the name suggests, it's a ring light. So see, if you get something like this, that's the best. Look for a vlogging kit. ये आपके ट्राइपॉड के साथ आएगी, आप अपना मोबाइल फोन लगा दीजिए, ये मोबाइल फोन का क्लिप भी यहाँ पर है और एक रिंग लाइट भी है, और ये सेम सारे रिंग लाइट्स में आपको ये रिमोट मिलेगा जिसमें ये सब फंक्शन हो गए. हाई लो विल बी वन फंक्शन, to change it to three different colors will be an option. So that is it comes in various sizes also. So this is the back side of the box. 6-inch bi-color LED ring light, and also this comes with a 42-inch tripod. That's a lot. That's really a lot. So ring lights जो शुरू होती है 6 inches से शुरू नहीं होती है, ये देखिए तो और छोटी है, and this also does the job. See, what is it? It's just a clip on your mobile phone. I can also, when I'm suppose मैं laptop पे कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये laptop पे भी clip कर दूँ, मेरे face पे अच्छी light आएगी. So I would say buy one small one, like a really tiny one like this for a mobile phone, and buy one of this. Just see this. Imagine ये tripod भी साथ में आ गया, आपको stand भी मिल सकता है जिसमें tripod नहीं हो. This fits any mobile phone. कोई भी mobile phone इसमें fit आ जाएगा. And this just does the job. I mean, just stand. आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि अलग से you have to have a tripod and then you have to have another ring light behind it. This is your tripod. This is your ring light. You just take this phone, put it here, fit it here, and just start rolling, start recording. It covers all sides of your face. So I'm doing this live just to tell you just that. Invest in a ring light in 2020 if you make videos, vlogs, if you are, and also not just videos and vlogs. Suppose you are having a Zoom party with your friends. Suppose you're doing a Skype interview with someone. Suppose you're you're going to give a talk and some or some speech on everything is happening through webinars, right? So suppose you're going to do any of that, just keep your ring light behind. Your frame will be well lit. I see so many people who come as guests, very important people, and I'm sure they would want better frames, but it's just that nobody's told them, or maybe they don't know how to get your light right. Imagine if you're watching a news channel and you see one guest is very well lit and one guest you can't see, it's dark, and it's a bad camera, it's bad lighting. So you won't have, you will be like, ये क्या है, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बरोबर. So that's why you should make sure, like, imagine this video, you can see me clearly, you can hear me clearly. Audio important है, video important है, lighting important है. So make sure 2020 में, if you make videos, my biggest advice to you is invest in a ring light before anything else. मोबाइल फोन एवरीबडी हैज, शूट करने के लिए सबके पास मोबाइल फोन होता है, और एक रिंग लाइट ले लीजिए. आपके पास बैटरी पैक है तो बैटरी पैक पे लगाइए, देन यू कैन टेक इट आउटसाइड आल्सो. सपोज यू आर गोइंग ऑन अ हॉलिडे, यू आर गोइंग टू अ फार्म हाउस, यू आर गोइंग टू अ होटल, यू आर गोइंग टू मेक वीडियोस, योर बैटरी पैक पे ये चल जाएगी. वरना मैंने कहा ऐसा कोई भी अडेप्टर ले लीजिए और ये डायरेक्टली कोई भी प्लग पॉइंट में भी चली जाएगी. सो ring light is my biggest advice to anyone who makes videos. I have this one. one is behind, so I can't show you, but I can tell you this is the one I have, which is a 6 inches. And then I have a really cute one, which is this one. You can see all these work just fine. This one I'll show you once again what this does. Just clip this to your camera. बीच में से कैमरा आ रहा है तो ये डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं होता है कैमरा, आपका कैमरा साइड पे भी हो तो नथिंग, यू जस्ट turn on this, click your pictures, shoot your videos. So good luck. Look up on Amazon and just buy any good ring light and stay safe during this pandemic. And I will see you in my next video. I will see you in my next live broadcast. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.